In this tutorial, we will learn about rotate command in detail. Keyboard shortcut for rotate command is RO, enter. Then select the object. You can select as many objects as you want. Then once object selection is done, press enter. Then you will have to specify base point. I want to rotate about this midpoint. Give the base point about which you want to rotate. Then I will just make the ortho off. Then you will have to specify the angle between the two objects. I want 60 degree, enter. Your object will be rotated in anti-clockwise direction and it will be at a 60 degree from the original object. To give the rotate command from ribbon, here is the rotate command. Click there, select the object, enter, specify the base point, and if you want to rotate in clockwise direction, then give minus 45, enter. So it will rotate in 45 degree in clockwise direction from the original object. Again rotate, select object, enter, give the base point. Then next option is copy. While rotating, if you want to create the copy, click on this option, copy. Then specify the rotation angle. Suppose it is 45 degree, enter. So it will create the copy of the original object. Then next is rotate, select object, enter, give the base point. Next option is reference. If you want to rotate in absolute angle, then you can use this reference. Click on the reference, then specify the reference angle. So this will be my reference angle, this midpoint and this second point. Then specify the your required angle, not the angle between the two objects, but what angle you want. I want 120 degree. It will rotate in 120 degree from x-axis, and it is not depend on the previous object's rotation angle. Reference option can also be used to align the object with other object. I have this line. I don't know the angle of this line and I want to align this line with this line. Click on rotate, select the object, enter, give the base point. Then click on reference, click on the reference angle, first point, second point. Then specify the new angle. Just click on the end point of this line. It will make the object to align with that line. This is the one case where the base point is same for this line and this object also. One other case is where the base point is not same. I will just copy this object. Now in this case I want to rotate this object to align with this line, but the base point is not same. In such case, how to use it? Click on rotate, select the object, enter, give the base point, make ortho off, then click on reference, give the reference angle, first point, second point, then click on this point. If the base point is not same as your required object, then click on these points and click on 2 points of this other object. So it will align that object with the other object. That's all. Thanks for watching. We will stop here.